for a higher GC News. Mima Obibia Aquaba. Latest hot. And kwa Aremeyaw bro. Now sana something in Abebaro. So we subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe. Now while I give video, don't give us a thumbs up. Not fee. Share now wo fufrosu na we be here now and someone ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom afi yehwe eye en someone abeto yepono so yinti eye samkomu eye sansemo ya ba beto ya moma yinti dia ekoso yinti nsemo no
na menka sem tro enye se obi atumfu me matumamu first
okay
and san me hu se Ghana for kura no na MP baako efre me no ka chem se masa se die edu so you are going to win. Name o can credit politics and can cresa.
Sana MP ne ka chere.
Yes, na the speaker. Na me yede ho. Ti da bia o ye ma si we. So can
credit no credit can so.
Oh, tiasie. But say it's affecting NPP party.
Wo no credit can wo can.
Yes.
Nka me ba be ho abebisa say. Don't you think say ensem bi wo ho no mo a from 2013 to 2024 and campaign period no in a way no Emma National Democratic Congress upper hand over a NPP because of ensem bi okaye they use against party no could be saying
no maminka yini chiro ni ana me pacha say menka sam affect party no
wo kasa wonka momo no
yeah maminka sam chiro you winning election 2020 NDC for Benin Cantamanto Papa Bia na o lead NPP campaign the shops bear 6 omushi ni nyina
honorable who say NDC gonna come
yes a community do
that
yeah because also NDC for
okay
and they did that to the man and to be quiet no me ti asama me ko hwe ho na me ka jirom say samushi obia shop obia mu a me teacher homes me fie wo ho me were the same line President Mahamadu was yes so ko ko shi ni fie everyone ana is easy obia anyai but President Mahamadu is a good friend me my heart me penance on no answer per masem genuine. And so MPP Hunti, look at the statement I made. Now, and MPP for a issue against me say 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. Abra, me cast assembly in defense of MPP. Oman Koshi stores in it. They went to Ashanti region. But the moment I made the statement, there was a halt. Have I saved the party or destroyed the party? 10 sins of Kennedy Agyapong and then say Moses Kwaje 10 commandments no all these years what is here the be account 11 and they say men kwaka bibia and akoya 11 sins of Kennedy Agyapong but I can assure you say come the manu tu e kwaya ya the MPP for bifa yan say achi wo man no mu kam ajemewu no but this time most of the presidential material, may trust me a presidential material. Now, MPP hunti. I stoop so low to defend the party. Omo mukasa, omo presidential, me president. Opa. I any maintenance 1 and 1. So workers do say no muka. But politics indeed, obey to me to do whatever anyhow. But this time I ignore them.
So in Ubu Ponkosho Wachia, do you regret making certain statements? Do you regret defending your party in that manner?
Yeah, for the payment. Yes, that is why I apologize to President Mahamadu. And I will continue to apologize to him. And then when could defend the MPP, yes, me informant to Yoko. That no crown, no cranny, meaning is 1 and 1. Da. But me who picture any journalist near all you know. But and go for year campaigns and make an Japan. May informant to Yoko.
Oka informant assemble. Ebi eka say honorable Ken die. Ye can youth ye can grassroots omanfo epena sempa. Musa dankwa enso eye hwehwemu ode betu dwa say. Si ye ka nkofo mo support wo pa NDC for. support wo yie pa nti se wo compare say in a way it's a competition into mo competitor no mo fo mo support wa don't you think say expose you know the weakness of a party not structures and executives
enum and a chira will say the Kennedy Agyapong ba even NDC fopo will vote for me
but and then you know looking at offering say primaries are mobile bekono
right
and ye woman no na ye delegate a wobeto
but again they have a voice
and ye woman so na and grassroots and so enye delegate how are you going to transform we for ni into a delegate and I say in a way a bit me as some majomo put amount
so NDC need to work catcher say for Kennedy Agyapong brana den ba ye me cry beto amana is a strong message to you not to make a mistake
unyi ni se baby so no on the other side no omhu ne se wo ba wo to abamom but they just want to have you said
the flip side I'm not a weaker candidate
okay
I'm bold and decisive leader I'm not going to be coward. They see other candidates as a prey. I bet me at show almost so just like me NDC needs over to me. I am not going to accept defeat 10 as early as 10 a.m. Young Kali MP Saba Enweye Namako.
Ken and I know already Justin Kodia ebe kind say sad decision of coming out to accept defeat, you know, wasn't a sole decision. It was a collective thing. Even Onunimpono came in and Kanya Samboa. To be fair, no, and yet Dr. Bawumia Casan didn't pay a buy in painful in an issue.
In painful, your own political experience in it. Now, almost I don't know, say, you could take a decision, abra, ye kai aba, ye. Now we accept defeat. What we know other parliamentary candidates. That is why we lost miserably with the pieces.
Almost say no more Johnny Ghana for you now.
Okay, why Ghana for? And he said, hold on, madam, we are mistaken. You have to accept. And Koya Wadrin say, Uko city on the fence. Why Epimenides? Unkoha Emaha. No. Why mistaken? Be bold and say so. It was a mistake on our part. So Munina and Koya. And the other children say, any part 20 could take a decision, I want to make a mistake. Let me say, now me free, Alex Markin, if ye, me kohe, naba, so muka we. Me see kwemwa, you say breaking news. Papa no, ebaya, wa accept defeat. Now ye gusu kai aba. Typical example is Tema Central. Senyame agelusu seat no so pa. Enyame gelusu seat no. Otia say yan kan we ye no. Announcement ni ba pepepe NDC for bugu ayiso. I had to call reinforcement to the EC. Enu kura no omo me nko fo no penu so we the boss and we are so mudia. Still they force Tema West easy to declare Tema Central for NDC. Nam see hinene ha yampene. Ye court NPP for ntini. Yeah. Yamfa gentle and nipa ogwene wonu nko ana ho onwene omina na party no. Onye good leader. Me say when these guys were going to court, I was the only person many Afenyo Markin and ye court. That is how come we got Tema Central. Where were they? Omukura, omuno, a benefit to more. Where were they?
A benefit to almost the same.
Now Mimi call a president to be. Mimi lose in Jibankobi. Muamukobi amuji mono. And never ya bro. Where Tema good maha police a year why. Tesano police station. Omudi baho. Ebekai, Alex Markin were bold. Or you bold. NPP for you Ghana. Na akano. Na NDC for more power. Basu na otchere. What are we talking?
Talking about wabo yonko honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin. The ebinomo say omo disappointed in leadership the way o see ye niema e wo parliament ene won hwe no ma stage we say ya chi we meta no odi enimu omo ne say we better. And now critics. And even with the ruling party, they have NBC4 say it.
NBC4 Adio ye. Omu refi. And a critics in Iran, omu per position. Say, oh, Alex Markin, Obiso Peso minority leader. It should come from Eastern region. It should come from Asante region. But I'm so on Fama.
Oh, but now I get attention. A bit more penny.
Oh, din. First rank Bwumia din. But this time me my friend I catch a crash, Japos in Net2. Because now you bet me a DD for the rest of your life. And my woman yes as a winner MP. Now me who to me pa. Intimate I don't look nice apart from my voice. Although nipa ba me nchen no school fees and my would ya to and I say uba pe me se ko MPO.
They say they won't call sabi o.
Bebe.
What's the
yeah. That be tria sika na sika ni tria mu en ha me se pressure.
Almost time out pressure.
Yeah, say nipa no won plan is say uba man bibi na watoa. Or the ba edinachi or the way I say and that be fear. By 4 months in the ground, men call us in. And here we are, and come with peace of mind. And it's a ubo breya. And you're MP one a bit more so bad. Say, the pressure from Kama.
Even campaign, I'm missing a union.
Because my cycle says, come, me to be and you know, and coming.
Sika wutie bi asa saying
oh so we go round obi the car e buy e be tie wasema wontumi hwe no hwe han na onko so you have to give him something.
See. So meaning says wubenya ubetimi aye presidential candidate and I say even to get after the primaries and I say to be a flag bearer near there you not need less than $100 million no cresa.
Oh I know they exaggerated.
Sir.
Oh, I know they exaggerated.
And the amount to mention it was roughly discussing Ubenya to be a flag bearer.
Maybe I don't want to say it. My opponents are watching.
Hey, Honorable Ken, I said you don't want to say it.
No, this is strategically.
Somebody is aspiring to be, a presidential candidate or to even be a flag bearer for any of the parties. Ne pano peso osua bibi if it was ahoboa san
on your ready say a very costly into planning is very expensive.
Okay,
very expensive.
Oh,
now why your budget kura akono obekọ duru ho assembly ade beto anim you will be forced to pay.
Oh,
another it ain't easy. Yeah,
ain't easy no so no. Dr. Bawumia can say my examples. Say President Akufo enye one term okoya and Bwumia toma no citing na Akufo Addo and so the former president enti because of that so we try first na say wenya yensan emfa 2 million money bill.
I will not let you land. Mamima, they are twisting history.
Okay,
and we have to straighten it. Obi a woye diabolic and obi make his statement.
Oh,
and you first the first flag bearer of NPP, any Professor Dubois, Oko Bakuno. One, President Kufona Oboni did example. Adinti and one can say, a Dubois he called Bakuno, President Kufo and Tiamanan come or contest. And what do we need? But before I forget, say Obiani Wako Bakwa Winnie, Dr. Buzia. Orani, Owini, Liman, Orani, Owini, Rollins, Orani, Owini, first time. Mahama, or vice president, Orani, Owini. So don't let us
was IT ni pemi no.
And I'm person or come no Emma delegate who no order that womunti or to see history. I'm bold to tell you, say or to see history.
Chinokre bia sai.
Chinokre ni da near mabubo begin. Busy what is occur 2 times. What is that Liban called 2 times? What is that Rollins called 2 times? What is that Mahama? the first time no here oko 2 times please Bwumia nka no kore obeka wasem say you see instead of apologizing to NPP for and Ghanaians Afenyo who could justify well one President Akufo Nientia oko 2 times amano onye party ni member ntin onim so onimwa and go member kisa history no
Dr. Bawumia
no onye party ni no party ni 1996 no
this is onim
exactly because
party no
history yeah history because President Akufo won or went 2 times because obekaya ebiana edidie mana usa it took Afarijan 5 days to come and make the announcement. Abayanson or say, I need protection. We are Baduniba. So Nipa can say Chirewa. That's just a Kululu be Akoso. And when I was here, man, protection, I will buy Kofo 39%. Niaka in our Tróuble rolling Sedia. And no, am I who said no. Kofo also appreciate Adubu in 31 to 39. Yeah, we are no crown or 39. What you say? Now, side justification or yen. Even Adubu ya mano second chance. Who have you said your ball call to parliament? And your ball call to parliament. And he wrote a stolen verdict. Even that, ya mano second term. So, my sister, what are they saying? Kofo, because of Afarijan, 5 days it took him to give announcement because of Olusunti. President Akufo Addo, the first time, 2008, he won the election by 49.7% against Mills, but he couldn't cross the 50% plus 1 vote. And until you call second round, and also Obia and Crosso, and nobody time. I could decide, and I President Mills, and we knew 23,000. 2012, we all saw what happened again. To send the year Akufo, and until we decided to give Akufo Addo the 3rd chance. But with the idea, and Tama West, Ablekuma West, or your progression, you know. Idea wonya 1.2 million Akufo Addo obenya here and the core here and Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo left with 6.7 million. He won with 6.7 million. About 6.7 million dear Jawa obeto aso. Unya 4.6 million. A difference of 2.1. My sister. Baba nature.
Won't attribute ASR loss no to say Abraham Babem there were a lot of things that a see here no ma or man for the door na bufu because now at the end so a year only NPP for a kasa na say we have a discussion almost say enye
what boss I want
you see ama enye or friend say yeni ayen kwofo na ankoto aba no esan se no mo bu afu unye ni se no so ka ho
have you also asked yourself that question?
A lot of policies. I mean, recently, President Akufo can be
I ask the progression. Yeah. Any year they are two. Any year you.
I will say a more year.
From Adubu him, Kofo.
Okay.
Nana Akufo Addo. Any or no? Where baby a dear. Where baby a dear. Se Kwabena Afra theater and chacha complete. What you form free as soon as say I chacha complete. Into Ubana by associate. Now what can be my answer? What can be first no? O say me Mensa make a career and I might lose election.
Yeah, that's what Muam Kasamon Kof. Where is
yeah, call for no. What need message? Message is to destroy other candidates. Me Brian, Irene, candidate here. If you know, but who be catch there say who betumi build Ghana economy. Now you walk $1 to 4 cedis. Now you free so now 17.5 or 4. Now be catch there say Kennedy Agyapong kasa wakai. Obi a presidential candidate. Who go wrong? You didn't speak about economy. And a digital. Mufestiane mami. Still any other election. Who go lose you are. Now you are going to attribute it to Kennedy Agyapong. Sammy kasa chira woman no mutie and woman say na can too late for them. Me catch them say I was granted interview. Ewo Metro. Nam catch say Ghana doesn't need change. Change needs Ghana. Hey, sir, arrogance near you know. They didn't listen. Oh no, but so be a dear. Na say enko ye kra. And I obeka say change no mo dimri ke ko say there be. But na enko ye I don't think get to tia you say. Na enko ye. Me catch them say. Me catch them say. Look, Ghana for. What is our papa way back? Anybody at one government in Ghana for decided 2022. And more Sikano a drop of room and my businesses Sikashi and one for I was not part of the government. I was a member of parliament.
But now when board beer, now on that board beer so.
Omu propaganda. Board the ben and call. The ben and the call board also. The first time now Christian church. If you don't know, Christian church on an board chair. My second round here and on them buy. Injury time and on the years a board chair. Go there and ask Ghana Gas. The changes I brought there. Go there and ask. Now you see, madam, I bompa is obenyeska. Sika ye pa o. Enye nneoma nyina de bata ye pa. Hwa yako budget. Na me hwe wo mu sika na wo mu yam sere. No mu yam sere.
Because we betimi kwa wo
Exactly. And you know, omu bi bia ni ho. Woni say Edabi NPP nipa boni. They actually went to Ghana Gas. Say omu aya omu nya dent on me. Inti bi buy a board chairman no. Bibia ya ebetimi omu use you against me. I be surprised say NDC for work Ghana Gas. I will more appreciating am here and omu friend. And to me wana omu friend say yaso wo kwa no Ghana Gas wo do omu sika ekoye investment e wa no subsidy. A Christian church at time. And a bad investment. I was not part of it. And the newspaper no from here other publishing. And I'm saying, oh, publishing for say I'll come with the evidence for you to see. Then he went back to check our Ghana Gas. And it was a time one Ghana Gas for investment. No man you. Oh, just here. And the way I see running a politics, no, but me this time, me see my
kasa.
Yeah, me kasa.
But maybe the drama wakasa na.
At an appropriate time, I will speak.
But enu hono so na too late.
Too late. I give it to fate. I'm not going to respond to Obia. I will not.
To Obianka de Obeka.
Obianka. But me statisa me fire. They'll run away. Evidence I'm the back. Maybe I just don't talk. I'll give you evidence. Once I touch and here, me catch you say Heathrow Airport. Why say all airports in the world? Say me did try. I don't think I'm because Heathrow Airport. Obia dear, onipa no ko gina ho say me ntibrofo. Obia me ntibrofo. Between talk a dime $500,000 ko for time. AU village at the chew Emma would you rent or chihime and a net if your or $4,000 amount we nyanza way obro fu ni na obi on tip of to me to dan no reaction na no walk high no office or high what more to man me man $50,000 but I leave it to fate Mobi am Kennedy
honorable unyi ni se obi ka se Honorable Kennedy Agyapong na koma eben na maybe omu feel say obi form wa you're too hard on the person.
But say me hard at an appropriate time.
Oh, say when you're hard.
At an appropriate time, I know everything about them.
Then that's one and some now.
Mabuano pa, me train, my ding, you can be here.
What they just say Kobane say after Prime Minister no Lucy Momana best pele out.
No answer. Me near Markin is up. Na neya make me account. Ministry. Make me account. A bus medidi. Because I don't rely on politics to survive.
Obi the message about me and came out listening to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong this morning on UTV. Maybe this morning on UTV gives me hope as a youth of this country. I am strong sympathizer of NDC, but should the NPP select Honorable Ken without contemplating, I'm waiting for him. And even if he doesn't win, he must go independent. Does it mean says Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and winning or be independent ana?
Oh my goodness. I don't know. Me near that. Now me know I can survive with anything. Me need more time. But I know interest. I was home Korea ban.
So what kind of Korea abemo? Mamimbi said, do you believe in structures? No say ana.
I believe in the structures, but last minute, easy for no committee in
underground.
Yes.
So
use party security, sir. Omobabu Obia Obabejina because Ombekana that don't be granny. They come Papa Kofi.
Honorable Ken, I mission among aspirants in Yanano. So, who Kasa, Nasibia, I mean, the tempest course on near there. Who reflected on a NMBSC 2013 2023 maybe Anya would day doesn't mean say in a way no Emma what about some kind of bitterness be against Dr. Bawumia.
Me no want that they cry. My life no he doesn't exist.
Hey.
Because he is existent okay. That's how I see myself. What do you say? Me Abronye munye was church, but I just don't want to say anything. No obio didi matembia onim. One day, Assembly our president Akufo Addo the boy Papa Bidin now Obianio, if you were the next day, no more post to him. So, oh, okay, but Mensa Obia some ancient trip.
Okay,
Madam, what is your trim up? Ube Wuntem.
So, doesn't mean
as some shame trim. Me come we are my free.
Doesn't mean say after the primaries and on a second Dr. Bawumia winner, will you campaign for him?
The last time I campaign, you will Wontumi for a phone. I can't thank you. No more said the matter. Yeah, they were insulting me. Maybe call round. And my parliamentary candidate, baby, I'm a call. Obi Odi no kura NAPO. I took him to my warehouse. And your man by the chair. Now our young boys, di matem semi-man campaign.
Honorable Ken, unyi ni say, womo asebi, bedi watem na eyo musu sebi baka say.
And you bedi na chi.
And yes, I
decision
recently you share your mama NATO she and more spell out. Doesn't mean say we were behind her until the money kasa.
NATO she no na nenam. Me no nothing.
But say they was switch come.
Was switch no me or nama. Me wouldn't be a boy. Me in social media.
Okay.
Me in news. On send them by me be sorry. Me in be ground. I stay focused.
Staying focused. And you might now will display na yes.
Me vision. I will gone ha. Eh. Sa yeah me guys.
Okay. I'll ban $4.5 billion food imports.
Yeah, Kube. Ghana ha obi ato Kube a enkran. Oba no na ono mu nsuo no di aduane no na wato ne aka na gu. Wei no na sika wo Kube. One, ya di Kube wei afro ye nye aduane ye ne hono no ya de ye chako. Two, ya de ye ropes. Sa ukọ habo na shape no lande ropes akesi omina de kube ene ya de kube e fertilizer say you 100,000 to 200,000 coconut plantation yeah import fertilizer right this is organic fertilizer
wow
you did embre Europe America we say 10 pounds no $15.99 yansu kubeno ye bowie ya no ya me yato atwene na ye craft fertilizer and we need between 100 to 200,000 acres across the country with the assemblies no sika ye de ma wo mo onfanya coconut farming the coconut juice from Thailand
kubeya
yeah juice everywhere eastern region central region Ashanti region western region Volta region everywhere you do kube ayentimi enye sa juice ibi ebiem coconut oil ranife white kubeya yanum wa ha ye hu ne de you see what we can do
with coconut
we say coconut e dey milk the coconut here is some this is coconut flour this is coconut sugar one I can you need a good political leader who understands business and who is creative and who is pragmatic. We spend $700 million importing sugar. We spend $350 million importing flour. When you know one kubenu betimi ayese nyoma wo. But we have poor direction because any pana monkoto abama wo mu say yenko IMF yenko World Bank coconut toothpaste hwenyuma kubenkwa etimi yo right another type of milk powder yedi kube
coconut
and my sister we have a lot of money in this country now the money involved would be a coconut plantation 200,000 acres will not be more than $20 million coconut udia modofu edua kubeno near timidia yes any man way will not cost more than 20,000 million my research indeed almost you're worried so ubenya sika no wo he and I say I know what I'm doing
inti say Aremeyaw Adom na say delegate a more opportunity na say Ghana for more opportunity within 100 days
speed 100 days in India I'll use it for conscientizing Ghanaians to change their mindset nyamene wo kan nyina say Ghana for amwamene me anya gwina enya dwuma so we go and conscientize Ghanaians using more UTV mo come twi kama ni aba say wo na ye advert wo Net2 wano ati ni abefa wo ye advert for the country the cost station we ye ni afa Agyarko nom otiase kwami sefa kan nom na ye broadcast senior ubedo woman say Ghana ni bia ahokirenti ompe Ghana we have to love our country before we can develop. Intermediate 100 days there, I will conscientize Ghanaians to change their mindset. And again, that time, I will use CSIR for any tech for universities for. I'll be meeting them. Say this is my vision. A Kwabena any yenamo a crutch for no ebefa amiabua. I will engage stakeholders. I want to businesses to know their challenges before I come out with new policies. If you don't engage stakeholders, they be an otchere who assume say oh despite he's making too much money you be cripple and so that would mean electricity cost and anyhow but when you engage them now obia can asem chirewa when you are formulating a policy you take into account business challenges and this is what I'm going to do in 100 days.
Okay. Minim say omanfo dodo na ni di wachi ebika honorable Kennedy obi enyuma wo ebi say oh nkofo awafo mo adwuma nko 50,000 ebi say oh entina me bi sa ono ubetimi abo eye companies ahodo a we bi a currently eye adwuma
na companies so 19 companies in adwuma
a number of nkofo so awafo mo adwuma. Do you have the idea?
But I'm making some trouble. Question ya obisa me. There's a young man now. Obisa me question. And I may book companies. No? Boy, you show video no. Me wa ni afre me GRSA. Ya ni afre GRSA. Me na say. Into this time I'm not going to tell you.
Companies no. But do you have an idea of Unkofonso wafa wo?
Yeah. This year I'm at 368. No workers 7,000 and I'm at 368 at the count. Even in opposition. I have almost 7,500 workers. Now obi owa onyini adwuma no wonam hu sei. Ya ga njiro se Kennedy Agyapong dia uhunu. Edan wei wonam ho ya ga njiro se Kennedy Agyapong dia uhunu. Asasi wei ya ga njiro se Kennedy Agyapong dia uhunu. Enti na ne green say Ghana for ankasa kura no don't believe say Ghana ni ebetimi abia adwuma amani nua yebi yi say broni nkwa. Anything I'm see be change your mindset. They build confidence in Ghanaians to challenge themselves say ne broni yebi ayenso ebetimi aye so that we take our destiny into our own hands. What do I say?
Yeah.
My sister, believe in yourself, sir. You bet me here. You know, with collective effort. You bet me here. Benin president here and go move to me. And then a child Africa, your mentality. Here, this guy. Come on, you may agree in so changing constitution here. No. Or the cutting as our and a senior issue. For 3 years, on your $4 billion. Because Dubai free zones, a warehouse, almost see huge, purposely for Benin cotton. This year, first 6 months, when you have $770 million. Abra January, na Ghana tete kwashi, ebi cocoa bar 950 years. Obisa cocoa board $100 million. How? What kind of management is this? Because there be a normal cohesion. Near young say, cocoa industries, Ghanaians are not able to penetrate because of setting up chocolate, whatever factory no. Lean season, the annual any a Tróuble locals. May one a year papa, Bwumia Biaton, Oma hedge, across Switzerland. What kind of management is this? What do you say? No could say, and now my Ghana for who so Kennedy Agyapong or Kasado or say Ghana. Mensa meeting in a year.
I see, Mensa meeting me in a year. Me questions that can be brave. Time no ain't na minim says yeah part 2 of this. Inti we dey say to me e mama we pa na
what from show my ideas. That was some a pragmatic person.
Oh no, but in as
and
much
I
as
believe in Ghana.
Exactly. In as much as we believe in Ghana, no so minim say a collective thing. Nipa na woni wo mo ebe ye.
Na make country.
Woni wo mo ebe ye sai djuma no. Baba me mame embisa wo ko. Minim say aspirant a woni wo mo kwa akansie nyina. Woni mo bia.
Yeah.
Eye dena ubehu a big strength, ubehu a big weakness, nomne ade. But ene no say ka Honorable Kennedy Agyapong a akansi a woko se wutu franka nipa ba hakope na mpempi na ya na yebo wone no Dr. Bawumia and Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Meaning say bibi o honomo past who make comment to be, oh, he's a fine gentleman. Do you still stand by that?
No, I don't. No, I don't. I know so many things. I don't want to say anything.
Hey.
It looks a picture of innocence. But what I know. Sir, I'm going to say planning. Chairman for offer woman say, oh, what you can October, November. You be dinner tomorrow no one was saying campaign. And I'm done also. I'm proud so almost starting from September, October. Edimatem, me na mankanwe.
Hey, you know na actually.
Yeah, because he met them, and that was his political strategy.
Wow. Until they won't now, they won't mean any good thing, Bianca.
No, and I'm say, okay. I don't even think about him.
Okay.
And I be
okay.
Maybe I'm just staying focused.
Okay, meaning say Tamale High Court, I really said Pandai, Yanko rerun. Will take on it. Do you think somebody may retain his seat in an answer mobile Lucy?
Me are conversant with the area, but you never cockabua. But me are conversant with the area.
Okay. Do you want to be predicted to be indeed mobile to me? I win an answer.
But who share NDC force by be a omu dear. Omu ma young GC.
Sir.
Yeah.
So by Ben or modern day.
Osha Ablekuma. Osha Akwetia. Say, Suban be a woman done a deal. All the seats of women so still almost are pretty count.
Chinkabe pleading and Komunjai racing.
At this time, they have been pleading and acquire 11 cents.
Okay, Mamisha, dear, a name of Sawashanka, Yanka Wanya.
Me dear Bakokura, me who young command.
Sir, the idea be a way you be a symbia, who can you be an active and still stand by it.
Correct, Papa.
I see. Into leadership style, over describing a say a day.
Me, my leadership style. I believe in people. Some of the nipa and a baye juma. Me, obi oni my juma be a be a liberal, but I'm strict.
But only selective.
No.
Okay.
If you have the potential, we want to develop this country. Ghana first.
Ghana first. I'm always saying, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, so Nema, you want to beat it.
I want to beat his record.
In a way, no, more ideology near the conflict.
You see, when a statesman, a new man was here, apart from say President Akufo Addo last minute, or can say expand the motorway. Motorway. Almost Ghana population 4 million. Still, a population of 33.6 enjoy Adiawai. Akosumbo. What you say? A new man was here be with this population, cost increasing, we are still enjoying it. Okay. Tema, our building still tema relevant. Near Abekam and so Kurati said near Oye for so many years.
Yes.
A champon and also try kakra and dance woman. A champon so and a year. What was the near seriously? Say as one tibrofu or quade be commercial one wine. But one more tibrofu in why net a baby baby to set down woman. And we have to be careful the language. You did a qualify will be said Sabi would Munyansa and Nasa Onimunyansa.
Okay.
So
I see. Into already the name of Panintina Emma.
Exactly. Yes.
Obe beat.
Yeah.
Okay. Your Honorable Major Mowako Assembly Chateau Adwema Ghana for.
Namdema delegates first. And you say delegates. Munya Gidia will say Samoto Abamamia. I'll beat any NDC candidate in 2028. Because Ghanaians, in the history of Ghanaian politics, I'm the luckiest person may contest here. Ghana for Ankasa, a party for Chelsea, Mumfa Kennedy Agyapong mra, ni ebetuaba amamo. Again, more woman nisi kachi, and kochusu candidate, to send ye nani, ye dear woman, and nisika, and where I'm first, and away and you say, Shababia every year. Into this time, yɛnto aba ma obi a ɔwɔ vision a ɔka so ɔbɛyɛ nso a ɔno ani lifetime wayɛ nneɛma bi approve sɛ ampa ɔka so ɔbɛyɛ Kennedy Agyapong ɔka so ɔbɛyɛ wɔ a ɔbɛyɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ obi a papa bɛka kyerɛ sɛ mede aborokyire bɛba Ghana when you don't get the basics right. We need to get first the basics right. Na enyuma emra ewiase delegates montie niye onipa bia woni munyam ene wadwuma.
Okay.
So wadwuma ya wo ni munyam uni adwuma ya sabe obakora wo fie na osuma na onko etise o pesika akoto aduane adikura wa anya bia mala no no na abeso. Enti Kennedy Agyapong stands for industries. Jobs.
Okay. Honorable better say nana pay. Already ewo America or say main country so wo boa na pa wo play you were very pivotal in the kidney transplant Dr. CNN. It was watch here. Okay. I was for I have say
anyone my baby. I hope a testimonial. Ghana for
part 2 of
okay. But remember part 2 before election.
Medase pa. But Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong, your presidential candidate, up for New Patriotic Party, and I'm in Nkomobo, Yedi AC Ahase.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.